Hi, this is Santtu from OverInvent, and today I'm going to show you an additional feature I've created for the Texture Builder before the beta release. I'm recording this live, so hopefully everyone can understand what I'm saying. Now, I have created a particle system that has all the defaults except the texture sheet animation, which has 16 times 16, single row, and randomized row is set to on. And in renderer section, I've set material to particle material. If we open that material, we'll see that it's just transparent / diffuse material. And there's no texture yet since we are creating it in the texture builder. Now, let's open the texture builder asset and we'll see a chain created for this demo. The new feature that I've created is separating the animation from framing. This basically means that settings are usually divided into two sections: values that are changed within animations and values that are changed within frames. This can be used in lots of ways, but in this example the circle block uses this, as we can set a baseline radius to some randomized setting and we'll just add more units to it at the end of the animation. So we'll first randomize the base radius and add it to it later. Okay, in the set block I have set it to use blue and alpha channels. Blue is randomized between 0 to 1 and alpha is set to constant 0. And in the frames we have constant 0, so we don't want to add anything to the base value we randomized in the beginning of the animation. And we'll just slowly decline the alpha value so it will dissolve at the end of the animation. Now the tint block, basically this just tints the color in an amount we choose, and the tinting color is set to white with alpha 0 and amount is randomized between 0 to 1. And in frame we'll just decline the alpha as we did on the set block because we want this to dissolve as well, and the amount how much we'll add white to blue is a rising curve since we want the circle to be more white at the end of each animation than it is blue. Now if we check the animation block, which is colored green, we have set the path to test.png, power of 2 textures, background color transparent. Frame is also power of 2 size because we want the frame to be equally sized. And the animation count is 16 and animation per row is set to on. Now if we export it, it'll ask how many frames are in one animation. Let's leave it to 16. Now it'll generate the texture. Hopefully I will release the texture builder within a week or so. The only thing left to do is documentation, or it is done but it's lacking because of the new features, so I have to write those. But hopefully within a week you can have access to it. Now we can close the block settings, and if we open the generated texture, we actually see that it's starting from blue and then it's going to white and it dissolves at the end of each animation. Okay, we can close the texture builder, and if we select the particle system, we will see it is fully functional like it's meant to be. It randomizes the rows for each particle and thus creating small variations in the particle system. This has multiple uses and should be a great addition to already solid feature set. Okay, but this was a small demonstration of the new feature, just so that I can show you that I'm still live coding this, and hopefully you'll get your hands to it soon. You can check our website www.overinvent.com for more info and for forums and stuff. But thanks for watching.